Today we are making oven-baked calamari skewers, a delicious and simple seafood recipe. We start with a whole medium-sized squid. If you prefer to skip the cleaning part, just ask your fish manga to clean it for you. I don't use frozen calamari rings. Even though they are pre-cleaned, they have no flavor. I really recommend to use whole fresh calamari to obtain the best from your dish. For this recipe, we need wooden skewers, breadcrumbs, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil or vegetable oil, and 1 lemon. Before cleaning the calamari, let's prepare the breading. Finally, mince the garlic and mix it with the breadcrumbs, salt and pepper. We can use the leftover breading for other recipes. To clean the squid, separate the head from the body. Then, with the 2 fingers, remove the beak found in the center of the tentacles. Now clean the inside of the body and rinse well. You can also remove the skin if it's too thick. Cut and remove the part just on the front of the eyes. We don't use it. Let's cut the squid into strips and keep the legs to make a nice seafood risotto. Now assemble the skewers. Trade one piece of squid at a time onto each skewer. Once all the skewers are ready, roll them in the breadcrumb mixture. Place the skewers on a baking tray lined with a baking paper. Drizzle a little oil over each one, then bake in a preheated oven at 170-180 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. When they are golden crispy, they are done. For the lemon, cut just below the halfway point to get a nice slice with no seeds. You can serve this calamari as an aperitivo, entree or as a main dish. Squeeze some lemon juice over them and buon appetito! Please like and subscribe to support my channel.